Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can create a group on GroupMe. So I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first thing, what you'll need to do is you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection and also make sure that you've already updated your application. So now open up your application and then you'll be taken to the chat page. Once you're on this page, you can see in the right hand side corner, you'll be able to see a circle blue icon. Click on it. As you click on this icon, drop down menu appears, and from there click on groups. Now you'll begin with creating of a group. So first thing, type in the name or create a name for the group. You can also add a description of your group. That is optional, or you can simply leave it blank. And after that, if you want to set a profile ID, then click on set avatar, and then you'll be taken to your gallery page and select the image that you want to add it. Click on the stick icon in the top right. Now you can go on adding members to your group. In order to add members, you need to type in either their email address, phone number, or the contact name. Once you've done this, you need to click on save, and you can also make some advanced changes, and now you can start texting. In this way, you can create a group on GroupMe. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.